Hello, how you guys are doing? Today I am going to make ice cream of Mava Malai flavor of Tingle company.
First of all, let's take out this instant pocket in a bowl.
Let's roast the dry fruits. Now we will take 500 grams of milk. Take it out in a bowl. Add instant powder mixture to the milk and keep stirring with a spoon.
Blend it.
Mix well and make sure there are no lumps in it. I put the milk on the stove to heat. Heat this milk over a slow flame until it comes to a boil. Now there has been an upsurge. Add instant powder mixture to the milk and keep stirring with a spoon. Let dry fruits be crushed. Pour it into the bowl. Our heated milk is set at room temperature. Put it in an airtight container and let it cool in the fridge for 2 hours.
Here we go.
I am very excited.
Let's check.
After 2 hours, the ice cream has cooled down a bit. Put it in a mixer jar and mix. Mix and mix and mix. Put it back in the airtight container and keep it in the fridge overnight. Good morning, everybody. Let's check our delicious food. And it is ready.